Hello, it's Dave M0OGY. Welcome to my first review of 2016. Hope you've all had a happy new year. Something a little different today. Normally I show radios and antennas. Well, we're looking at the Alto Professional Live 802 8-channel 2-bus mixer unit. Back in the summer months I looked at the on-air design interface box for using mixers with both CB radios and amateur radios, so I'm going to use this mixer via that, probably through my Yaesu FT 840. Well, looking at the unit, there we are. Alto is a company based in the USA. It was founded in 2000, and they make mixer decks and various pieces of audio equipment for live bands, studios and the home musician, as well as, you know, for other uses such as computers and hi-fi. So the unit, it is 8-channel. I only will be using one of the channels, the left hand side one. It does come with 5 XLR microphone inputs, which are at the top there. It's got DNA microphone preamps. It's got dynamic compression, channel 1 and 2. It's got a 3-band EQ plus 2 auxiliary sends per channel, 60mm faders with mute switch and LED, and the faders are really smooth, they actually glide really good. USB audio connectivity with level control, that's on the rear. Basically you can plug in your home computer or your laptop and run that through it, through speakers. It's got a 100 Alesis DSP effects, that's on your right hand side down there. It's got a blue LED display, and this gives you such things as it sounds like a large hall, reverb, delay, chorus. Got balanced XLR, balanced to unbalanced 1/4 inch outputs. At the top, graphic equalizer, 9-band graphic EQ for the main or monitor outputs. It's got a headphone output with independent level control. And on this side, we'll just pan in there. To the right of the effects, it's got phantom power on and off, which is that one. That allows you to use phantom mics what need power or not, and below it you've got your levels, LEDs. So that's basically it. Another good feature with the unit, all the control pots are colour coded, blue, green and red, so if you're using it as a band in a dark environment, you can see the controls quite easily. What does it come with? Well, you get the unit. It is extremely well made, quite heavy. It's got a metal chassis with plastic side panels. Comes with the power lead. Unlike some of the cheaper mixer decks that have a little transformer that you plug in the wall, commonly known as a wall wart. This is mains output, so you've input, should I say. It's got what's commonly known as a kettle plug and a 3-pin moulded plug for UK use. Also comes with a comprehensive handbook in multiple languages, and that's the packaging. Quite a large unit. Just have a look around it. at the bottom of your sliders. There's your 1/4 inch plugs, sockets and inputs on the top in front of the XLR inputs. So that's a look at the top controls of the Alto Live 802. So on the next part of the video we'll have a look at the rear panel. Right, the rear panel, you've got your AC input, a rocker switch for your power. Next to that, the white plug is your USB audio in and out for the computer. RCA leads. You've got CTRL out, the 2 sockets there left and right. Balance to unbalance left and right, they're all quarter inch jack plugs, and on your far right there's the main mix output balance to unbalance, and that's a pair of XLR sockets. So that's the rear panel. This is the full unit with the leads and the Heil microphone. I'll just take the camera off the tripod and we'll have a look at each part individually. Right, the mixer unit will be plugged through this box, which is the On Air Designs unit, used in conjunction with either the foot switch there or the hand PTT, which is that one there. Leads that I've bought by the well-known manufacturer, quality brand called Van Dam. They'll be plugged through the mixer into the interface box, and then finally from the microphone, which I'll be using as a Heil Gold line, it'll go through a Heil lead into the mixer on that side. So that's roughly how it'll be all working, and the radio will be the Yaesu FT840. So we're back in a moment. To conclude the video of the Alto Professional Live 802, it offers extremely good value for money. It's well made. The price in the United Kingdom of £155 is extremely reasonable, and it has won the Future Music Value Award, which is unsurprising. Thanks to Mike at Nevada Music for sending me this unit, and on future videos I'll have it wired up to the little Yaesu FT840 transceiver, and we'll see how it goes. So best 7-3 from Dave M0OGY. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.